So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna find this tool in our level finder on the Wellness Watchbook. And it's like this little tool will be helpful. So it shows you 25% of gray hair, 50% of gray hair, and completely gray, 100% of gray hair. And this is the simple guideline, guys. Like if you have 25% of gray hair or less, just like roll with any formula you want, you can put red, you can put brown, you can put anything. Don't worry too much. But the moment you have 25% of gray hair or more is where we need to start adding natural into our formula. For example, if you decide to use 6-stroke 7, which is medium blonde brown on your model, and they have 25% of gray hair, 25% of our formula needs to be either 6-stroke 0 or 6 pure. 6 natural, it's a must. So same level, just natural. And then you just keep rolling. If she has 30% of gray hair, you add 30% of your formula, natural. And the rest is your desired shade. If she has 50% of gray hair, half and half, half of your formula is natural and half of your formula is the desired shade. And the rule goes all the way up to 75% of gray hair. And then you put like 2/3 or 75% natural into your formula and 1/3 or 25% of the desired shade. Again, any shade. And if you go like more, like up to 100% gray hair, just stick with the 2/3 of natural. And it's a must half of your formula to be natural. And the rest is the desired shade. Again, any shade can be red, brown, gray, anything you want. But natural is a must to give you the depth and to provide the coverage. So use natural into your formula, which will be based on the percentage of how much gray they have on their head. And I hope you find this helpful.